In order to generate an SSH key for your GitHub account, we'll first start by navigating to the SSH folder hidden in your home directory under the .ssh folder and seeing if we have any SSH keys available. As you can see, I have ID RSA available as a key. For our purposes, we want to generate a new key. For that, we'll run the SSH keygen command, selecting RSA as our algorithm and 4096 as the size of the key. Whenever you specify the "C" option, be sure to use your GitHub email address that you used to create your account. You will be prompted for a file in which to save the key. For me, I will call mine TextSnips. You will also be prompted for a passphrase for your key. Once created, we want to make sure that we have our SSH agent running in order to add our key to the agent. After running this command, we will see that our agent ID is 5872, meaning that it is currently running. In order to add the key to our agent, what we'll do is run the SSH add command. This makes sure that our SSH key is going to be used by the SSH agent whenever we try and remote into Git. The last thing we'll do is to copy our public key, that's the textnips.pub key, onto our clipboard for use once we log into Git. Now that we've created our SSH key, what we want to do is add it to our GitHub profile. We will do this by clicking on your profile in the top right corner and selecting Settings. From here, you'll select SSH and GPG keys. At that point, you'll click New SSH Key and paste in the value of the key that you just created. For the title, be sure to use something descriptive. For me, I'll say TextSnips. Then click Add. Once that's added, you'll be able to use SSH with GitHub in order to remotely push commits to your branches. Thanks.